Hi, this is the Next Gardener. Today we are going to provide you the soil recipes for different types of succulents. We will explain why and how to get the right soil mix. Let's start it. First, the types of roots determine the soil recipe. There are two types of roots, one is hair-like short roots, another one is stout plump roots. Echeveria, crassula, cactus, aeonium, and lidhops. This type of succulent has short, thin, hairy roots that cannot store much water and nutrients. It's important to note that if the soil mix contains too many gritty rocks or granules, then there is nothing that can lock up the food when you feed the plants. This means that the succulents won't grow very well and may not thrive as expected. So the soil recipe relatively require more coconut soil, tree bark, or regular garden soil. Succulents, like haworthia, aloe, and agave, have thick and fleshy roots. They prefer a well-draining soil mix that is fluffy and soft. However, you can add more granular matter to the soil, as their roots can relatively store a lot of water. Choose soft granular rocks, as hard rocks easily bruise the roots while repotting or moving. Second, the soil recipe for succulents should be adjusted based on their size and age. When we do propagation, or grow small-sized succulents, we need to know, compared to mature plants, they prefer soil that is moist and nutrient-rich to facilitate faster growth of new roots, leaves, and buds. Or they will continue to consume their meager nutrients and die. For varieties with larger crowns, add some granular rocks while repotting plants every year. The ratio depends on the plant size, the types of granular, and your ornamental preferences. Here are soil recipes recommended for different succulents, suitable for plant sizes ranging from 2 to 10 inches. Remember to adjust the recipe slightly based on your location and season changes. If succulents are located with poor air circulation and sunlight, adding more granular rocks to the potting mix is essential. Share this video if you think it is helpful.